Good morning, distinguished guests, the GMBNI volunteer members, the GMBNI Borno State Chief Photographer, ladies and gentlemen. In a world where many speak about helping others, true impact is measured by what we do, not what we say. Today, we are guided to witness one such example of action speaking louder than hope.
Assalamu alaikum. Kuma Amina Goni modo. Jim da sa wa zan bana marade ne na bana manya. Wallahi kusa o ye jim da jifi jimma wahala zalaru ya bunero kado ma safal bunero ji suna ma na duri buna ma ba.
Assalamu alaikum. Ma Aisha Goni Ibrahim. Pande ya kala jifi ja wahala ta idan yana yayin. Nji ar berijan jim da so baranan da so sama soro gain. Wahala zalla yayin dundun da so a samu har gonye da yayin bune ma abuna ma fondiyan ba.
Amb.Dr Fatima Muhammad Goni, Chairman and founder of the Grassroot Mobilizers for Better Nigeria initiative, has consistently shown that leadership is about lifting others. Through her generosity and selfless service, she has touched countless lives, especially among the youth, the less privileged, and the most vulnerable in our communities in Borno State and other regions of the country. Under her able leadership, the Grassroots Mobilizers for Better Nigeria initiative has remained committed to empowering young people, creating opportunities, and supporting families. Often from her own personal earning and business ventures, her passion for community development and humanitarian service continue to inspire all of us. She has also extended support to children and young people who are out of school, especially those in Islamia and Sangaya institution, by assisting them with basic needs, encouragement, and opportunities that give them hope for better future. Her efforts toward helping the less privileged continue to make a meaningful difference in many lives. Today is another testament to that commitment. Amb.Dr Fatima has renovated the home of a respected Islamic scholar named Goni Ibrahim Goni Fanami, who has been suffering for over 15 to 18 years, who cares for 3 wives and 25 children. The house is located at Jihar Borno community in Maiduguri, Borno State, was renovated at a cost over 1.8 million naira, and the family faced daily hardship in that environment. Out of deep respect for the scholar's service to the Jihar Borno community and out of compassion for his family, Amb.Dr Fatima stepped in to restore dignity, safety, and comfort to their home. These gestures remind us that true leadership is not about title or position, but about responsibility to those in need. On behalf of everyone here, I express our gratitude to Amb.Dr Fatima Muhammad Goni for her unwavering commitment to uplifting others, helping the less privileged, and for setting an example of service that we should all strive to follow. Thank you.